Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my third video of my summer hair series, and this time I am going to be coloring my hair a navy blue color. So I wanted to do a blue color for the longest time, and I finally decided to do it. I wasn't feeling bold enough to do a super bright blue, so I went for a navy blue, something that's pretty dark, and I had to bleach the hair first. This hair is from Nadula Hair Company. You guys know I love Nadula Hair Company. They have never let me down. I received their Brazilian body wave hair in the lengths 26, 24, and I have two 22-inch bundles and a 20-inch closure. I only used about 3 bundles though and the closure. So I had to bleach the bundles first. I used a 40 volume developer and my BW2 bleach. The bundles was no problem at all bleaching. It was the closure that gave me a little trouble. It just did not lighten fast enough for me, so I had to bleach it twice. It's the only thing that I had to bleach twice. All the bundles bleached one time and they were fine, and then the closure I had to bleach twice, and as you can see, after I bleached it twice, it came out a really nice color that's light enough for me to bleach. I used 4 bottles of Royal Navy and I used 1 bottle of Indigo Blue, so in total I used 5 bottles to color the hair. At first I was trying to be cute and brush the color on, but at the end that was just not working. It was so much easier for me to just spread the color all on the hair and then just rub it together. So this is just me coloring one of the bundles. I didn't show you all of the bundles because that would have been so repetitive. So this is me coloring one of the bundles, and it's super easy. All you do is just spread the color on the hair and just rub it in. That's it. So quickly, I'm just going to show you guys how I styled the hair if you're interested. This closure is one of the easiest closures I have ever worked with, hands down. It just laid flat, like pretty much by itself. I just put a little bit of the motions on and it was just so flat and perfect to me. Usually when I have a closure and I put the motion styling foam on it, it'll still have a little lift to it. It won't be super flat, but this Nadula closure was extremely flat. Like I only had to put a little bit on and comb it out a few times. It was so flat. So I've flattened out the closure, I've plucked it a little, and I've straightened the hair. And now I'm just going to make my little baby hair. Some people love it, some people hate it. I personally like it, so I do it to my wigs. So now I'm just showing you up close what the blue looks like. It's a very nice navy blue. It's hard to see from afar with all the studio lights that I have. And now I'm just going to put a little concealer in the part of the closure to make it snap and look really good. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below. And if you are interested in this hair, definitely check the description box because all the info and all the tea on the hair will be down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.